Guys, let's get a coffee from the Kombi. Here we go. Let's get a coffee. Look at this. It's beautiful, isn't it? Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Getting a coffee out of a Kombi on a Vanlife channel. Now how appropriate. So if anyone visits Port Macquarie, what tourist attraction would you steer them towards?
Beaches.
Beaches, yeah, always the beaches, okay. Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a lovely day. Lovely place to work.
Yeah. So you're saying before you got to move every 15 minutes?
Yeah.
That's just your little deal with the council, is it?
Yep. Yeah, they let me cruise around.
Oh, okay.
Park here and there, but yeah, they just like to get me moving around every so often, so I don't set up shop for
ever. Oh, okay. Well, you're a bit of a tourist attraction in yourself, aren't you, really? Huh?
I'd like to think so.
Oh, I'd say you are, eh? It's beautiful. The way you deck the van out and the colours and the little palm trees and everything, just absolutely awesome, eh? You've even got drinks in here. Oh, there's your steering wheel. This is like a van tour.
I've had the van for about 6 months.
Yeah.
Just getting it registered and set up and
Yeah.
that sort of stuff. But this is kind of the first couple of months.
Okay. If you don't mind, how much do you pay for the van?
It cost
70 grand.
With everything set up, yeah.
Oh, with the coffee machine and everything. It'd be worth that without it. So the rubbers and everything are all in good nick, or did you do all that?
No. This is kind of internally it needed a bit of TLC.
Yeah.
Externally it was pretty good. I just got
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, no, she's nice and clean.
So what's your name if anyone comes to Port Macquarie to get a
My name's Todd and this is Coastal Caffeine, so you can
Coastal Caffeine?
Coastal Caffeine.
Okay, Todd, thanks for that, buddy.
Welcome.
You're worth your little coffee.